everybody, it's Crystal. So how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. I am doing wonderful. Thank you all for joining me today. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. If you are new, thank you for joining me. And if you have been with me for a long time, thank you for returning. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and give me a like if you enjoy this video. Okay, today I'm going to talk about a small YouTube channel / Etsy shop. I like to do those from time to time. So there is a YouTube channel, which I will link below in the description box, called Armchair Chef. Her name is Lori. I watch her channel. She has I like to watch her yarn content. She has other content as well, but I like to watch her yarn content when she talks about yarn. She gets mystery boxes, you know, that's the type of things I like to watch on YouTube. Is pretty much yarn stuff. So anyways, so yeah, I'll link her YouTube channel below. You guys can go check her out. Subscribe if you like. And she actually sells yarn mystery boxes on Etsy. Well, I thought I would give them a go. They have positive reviews. I'm going to link her Etsy shop as well below. I'll leave the link to the mystery boxes. So I don't know what's in it, because she only gives you, there's like, when you go to the listing, it's just a sample of yarns. It's not really what you're going to get. You don't know, because it's just a mystery. But it says there's 3+ pounds of yarn, random new unused skeins, balls, hanks of yarn. Any or of any of those unused, 3+ pounds per box. So, and they're only $35. Now that is really pretty. That's a good deal on its own. $35 for 3+ pounds of yarn, mystery yarn though. But the thing is she doesn't charge no shipping. So for her to do that is absolutely amazing, because I sell stuff on Etsy, mystery boxes, and the shipping is outrageous. I mean, it is outrageous. So I know that you paying $35 for these and her paying the shipping on them, she's probably not hardly making anything, especially after Etsy fees and transaction fees, because those are crazy too. Those went up this year. Everything goes up. So I think it's a very good deal. And so I bought 3 of them. I absolutely would have paid the shipping though, if she had, if she had that available, but she pays the shipping. It's free to ship. I think that's super cool. I do, really. So it came here today in a big box. Man, we got so much rain today. It's thundering right now here. Rain, rain. It's always rain. So here it is in a box. I'm just going to rip the box open. Let's see what's inside. I'm excited. I love mystery boxes. So like I said, there's 3 mystery boxes here. I paid $35 each, and it's 3+ pounds of yarn. Well, the postage label says 11 pounds, so yes, I did get 3+ pounds. That's awesome. All right, that was for 3. All right. Oh, she has them separated too. I love it. I love it. I thought maybe they were going to be on one box, which is cool. When it's a Etsy seller and the mystery boxes are separate, or together, that's okay. But this is awesome. So here's one. I like these bags she put them in. That's nice. Protects it too, because it was raining here. All right, you guys ready to see what's in the first one? Remember, this was $35. I had no idea what's going to be in it. I didn't pay no shipping on this, which I still cannot believe. That's a very, very good deal of her. Oh my gosh. Wowzers. 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 Right here, just pay for the whole mystery box, pretty much. That is beautiful. Wowzers. Lori. Smells clean. I love these. These are so beautiful. And these are not cheap, so that probably paid for one mystery box just on its own. Holy crikeys. That's nice. So I'm not done though. This is just one ball and one mystery box. Nice. Wowzers. We got some buttercream alpaca from Joann's. I like this. This is something that's very nice. Beautiful color. One of my favorites. And it's a bulky. I got 2 of those. Very nice. I like this stuff. I think I have a blanket made out of this on my channel. Different color though. Very nice. I like this. Oh, mystery boxes are so much fun. And we got some Premier anti-peeling, like new, wash after wash. This is bulky too. I like bulky weight yarn. So this is Premier's bulky number 5, or super bulky number 6, I'm sorry. Anti-peeling acrylic. Nice. I love the pink. I can make something nice for Evelyn. My daughter added that. Wow, she gives you enough to make the project with. And then I got 3 of these. from Dare Moore's. Oh man, I haven't bought from Dare Moore's in a while. Studio Anti-Peeling Chunky. So it's pretty similar to the Premier Anti-Peeling Chunky. I actually like these 2 colors together. You know, you can mix these together. You wouldn't even know a difference. So I got 3 of those. Nice. Like them. And I love this stuff. Love this. I have, I made my cat bed out of this one time when this came out. Lion Brand Woolies Roving Stripes. I like it a lot. I only have a couple kicks of this left at my house. Well, now I have 3 more in that mystery box. Beautiful colors too. Nice. I like that. Still working on the first mystery box. What's this? What is this? Oh, Aracunia. Man, that's a nice mystery box. She exceeded expectations on mystery box number 1 by far. That was, holy cow. This stuff is, I mean, she put some really nice yarns in here. Look at this. Aracunia's a nice brand of yarn, just like that Shape Keys wool. Or Shape Keys hand dyed in Chile. Now I like this. It's very beautiful. It's a little fine for me. I probably won't be able to use it, but that's okay. Someone else will. Isn't that gorgeous? You know what? I've never had this one before. Lantu. I think that's how you say it. Let me see what it's made out of. 50 linen to 50 cotton. 250 yards. Yep. Nice. It is a light, like I said, lightweight though. It's probably a number 2 maybe. I guess it's kind of a roving style a little bit, so it could go on lines of a 3. I don't know. 3 of those. Oh, it's just beautiful, man. That's an excellent mystery box. And that was just number 1. I would have been happy getting this in a mystery box. And it's so nice. A very nice mystery box. I got 2 more to open. Wow, Lori, that's nice. Okay, let's open the second one. $35 for all that. No shipping. That no shipping thing really is a... Not paying on shipping is super cool because it is hard for Etsy sellers not to have to charge shipping because shipping is so much money. They eat all your profits. Alright, let's see what we got up in here. Ooh, pretty sparkles. I love me some bling. Alright, I got some more Premier anti-peeling. The bulky weight again. And I like these 2 colors together. Very beautiful. Again, those would work well together to make my baby girl something beautiful this winter. She does love her pinks. And then I have another one of, no, 2 more of these, which is awesome. The more the merrier. Give me, I like this stuff. This stuff's so soft. It's 80 acrylic and 20 alpaca. It's nice. So that's 1, 2 of those in that mystery bag. And then we got some shimmer yarn from Joann's. I like the shimmer. Big twist shimmer. I actually have some of this brown, which I was planning on making a cardigan with sometime. And then we got another light brown. Those 2 would work well together too. Nice. I love this stuff. It's so pretty. Look at it. And it's really soft. I don't have this color. I have this in a purple, I think. I like them. I like it. And then I have, ooh. So this mystery box has more of the Aracunia yarn. That's nice. That's, okay, so this was 3 more hanks of that Aracunia hand-dyed yarn. That is nice. Wow. Hand-dyed in Chile. So, wow, that stuff is pretty. I wish I could use that. I wish I could. I guess I could put two strands together. I'm not a huge fan of that, but I could do it. It's so pretty, isn't it? It's like very rustic looking. It's gorgeous. Okay, so that was mystery bag number 2. Again, I definitely work with it. They probably pay for the mystery bag right here. If you was to look up a retail value, I'm certain that it probably did, and then some. That was very nice. I'm very pleased with mystery bag number 2. All right, let's check out mystery bag number 3. How exciting is this? Wow, these are such nice mystery bags. Ooh. Let's see what we got in here. All right, I have 3 more of those Aracuna hand dyes. Wow, so I got 9 of those total. That's awesome. I do like the Aracuna. It's a nice brand of yarn. So 3 more of those. Very nice. Nice. Another pack of 3-pack of, it's not even open or anything, of the Premier Anti-Pilling. Oh, got 2 more of these, which I love. So I got 2 in each mystery box. Now I got 6 of them. What's the yardage of these? I forgot. That'd be nice. Oh man. I'd make a nice super scarf and a hat. Or a nice long super infinity scarf and a hat. And it'd be so soft too. I love this stuff. It's a beautiful color. Rusty, one of my favorite colors. So there's 2 more in that bag. I like that she took into consideration that I was getting 3, so she gave me some of the same in each one. That way I would have enough to make a large project. That's super cool. Very thoughtful. What we got here? Cozy wool from Loops, or not Loops and Threads. Yeah, Loops and Threads. This is Michael's brand equivalent to like Lime and Woolies. It's very nice yarn. I like it. It's like identical to Woolies pretty much. Very beautiful brown. I wonder if Lori knows I like brown. Very pretty. 3 of those. I love Woolies too. Well, this is Michael's brand of it, but it's pretty much the same. Very pretty. I like to use that stuff. Nice. All right. What we got here? Something in a Hank. Oh, this is Aldine Wool's Harmony. So this came from Knit Crate, I think. Very nice. Very beautiful neutral brown. I love it. This is nice. Rock and roll. It's 41 wool, 26 alpaca, 23 tencel, 10% baby camel. Number 4 weight. That's hat making material for me. Yep. That's a nice hanky yarn right there. Ooh, here's another nice hanky yarn right here. I might have one of these at my house, maybe. I know I don't. I don't have this. This one's Harmony again. The color of this one is called Jazz. So these are the same. They're just, I think they're the same. They're just 2 different colors. I like them both. These are very nice. Nice yarns that Knit Crate sells. Gosh, those are both pretty. Be hard to choose pick. I love brown so much. It'd be hard for me to choose which one of those to be my favorite out of those 2. Nice yarn. Nice yarn. All right. Oh my gosh, this stuff's pretty too. I like this. I used to have some. I don't have it anymore. It's I can never pronounce the name though. Here we go. Let me read you the specs on it. It's 75% pure wool and 25% polyamide. You know what I like about it? I love the color of it. It is so beautiful. I bought this one time from somewhere. I'm not sure. Maybe a Little Knits or something. I don't think I have it anymore. I think I gave it all away. But now I have it again. I can make a hat out of it for myself. I think that's probably what. Let's see. There's about 90 yards per ball. And I got 3. So definitely that would make such a beautiful hat. Oh, I love that with the rainbow, or with the rainbow flecks in it and the brown. That's gorgeous. Those are some nice mystery bags for $35. I kind of feel like I owe her money or something. That was way worth more than that. Especially she should Like I should have paid for shipping or something. That's like, there's no way that's definitely worth that money. I mean, everything I have, and I paid $35 for each bag, no shipping. That's crazy. Some of the yarns are really expensive. I mean, she got some nice hand-dyed yarns, and up each bag got some really nice hand-dyed yarns, and these nice hanks of alpaca. Other nice yarns are, you know, this Premier is really nice yarn. And I love the shimmer from Joann's and everything. I love this stuff a lot. Beautiful. Very nice. Heck, I might buy some more. I might have to go back. You guys better hit her up too. Man, that's nice. Nice. There's something else here in the bottom. Just a little thank you note. Oh, look at that little hamster. I love hamsters. They're so cute. She's just saying thank you note. And a little pair of scissors. Some Yarnology playing cards. She might have sent this from my daughter. I bet she did. Thank you very much, Lori. Because it's in a little Minnie Mouse bag, and it's got some. Oh, look at this pen. I remember these pens from when I was at school. Each one's a different color. That is so cool. I'm keeping this for myself. No, I'm just joking. This is probably for my daughter, and then it's got some frozen stickers and stuff in it. Thank you very much. And a little notepad. Nice. And some little scissors, safety scissors in there. I think they're safety scissors. Yeah. Oh, maybe not. I can't tell. Anyways, and a bookmark. Thank you very much for that, Lori. That's so kind. Yes, I am very happy with everything that I got. I would definitely, I mean, if you get this kind of yarn in her mystery boxes, it's definitely well worth it. I'm going to be giving her 5 stars on her Etsy shop. And remember, man, how exciting was this? It's a lot of nice yarn. I'm really excited that I got these so I can make a hat out of them again. Everything's so nice. This is beautiful. I think I might, even though I don't like lightweight yarn, just to make a beautiful cowl. I love the colors on that. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Thank you so much. Very thoughtful, very nice. I would recommend her shop. I mean, I'm super happy with everything I got. So yeah, I'll be giving her 5 stars. And remember, I'll put the link below. I mean, like I'm saying, I'm going to say it again. I still can't believe she don't charge shipping. She cannot be making anything off of these. So it's $35 free shipping for her mystery bags. And let's see. Oh, and I'll put her YouTube channel below if you want to go check her out. See what she has to offer. Give her a subscribe. Show her some support. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Lori. Excellent mystery bags. Had a good time. Bye, guys.